everyone, hope you all are doing wonderful. The video you are watching, isn't it beautiful? This is cornflakes. So what I'm going to do is to take you through the process on how I prepare this very nice recipe. You get your fresh corns. I used about 2 sticks of fresh corn. You boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Do not overboil it. This is my turmeric powder for color, my corn flour, and that is my vanilla essence for flavor. The corn flour is to thicken it. Then you add a little salt and baking powder. So that is the ingredient that we are using. We are going to blend our corn into a fine paste. Please do not make it too slurry, else the water content will be too much. After blending, you get a nice bowl. You pour in the paste, then you add your other ingredients. So sit, relax, and just take or go through the process. So that is the turmeric powder. I did not want to use any other food color. Yes, so I added turmeric powder. The corn is white corn. I couldn't get yellow corn, but if you get yellow corn, that is okay. If you do not have yellow corn, you can use the white corn and add a little color. If you do not have turmeric powder, you can go in for any food color. I want to get that yellowish look. So we are done mixing the turmeric, and at least you can see the color has changed a bit. This is the corn flour. We want it to be taken a bit. So it's about just a half cup. When you pour in the corn flour, you mix it thoroughly. This is the consistency we are going for. This is our baking powder, about half a tablespoon. You mix that one too well. And that is 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Please, if you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber too, thank you so much for the support so far. If you like this video, kindly give me a like. And if you have not subscribed yet too, kindly do so. Don't forget to put down your comments. So we are done with mixing all our ingredients. This is our baking sheets. So we are going to pour the paste on our baking sheets. Then you spread it very well. You spread it very well. And do not pour a lot of the mixed or the paste on the baking sheet because it will become too thick. You want to get that flat look when it's done baking. So do not overload your tray with a lot of the paste, just a little. Then you spread it very well. I got about 2 baking sheets. Yes, so depending on the size of your oven. Yes, so we are still spreading it on our baking sheet. Please don't forget to put baking paper on the baking pan, into the baking pan, yes. So that at least that one can absorb a lot of water or some water content from the corn flour. Yes. So we are done. We are putting it in our oven. Yes, so in about 15 minutes, you should have this look. So when you get to this look, All you have to do is to just what? Break it into smaller pieces. Yes. Break it into smaller pieces. Just as I am doing here. Honestly, this recipe requires a lot of work. If you do not have patience, you can't do it. So we are done breaking it into smaller pieces. Then you put it back into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. It will be very crunchy. Yes. So we are putting it back into the oven. Ah, so in about 5 to 10 minutes, you will get that crunchy nature of the cornflakes. Isn't that beautiful? If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so. I got some milk powder. I mixed it with water. Then my breakfast was ready. Ah, ah, ah. Just look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much for your time. We will meet again in my next video. Bye.